am starting the clock now.
Good evening and namaskar. Vanakkam to all the participants of this workshop and the viewers of the Facebook of the HNH Elite. I am Peter Rex Charlie. I represent a company called New Life Placements. I live in Chennai, and here is my introduction. I am born in a place called Paramakudi, which is in a district called Ramnad. It is in the southernmost end of India, and I graduated in agriculture and post-graduated in MBA in HR, human resources, and I am also a lawyer by profession, by qualification. And my business profile, I have a couple of companies in India, few partnership firms, and around 10 proprietorship firms in India. I own a company in Dubai Free Zone, UAE, started in 2015. Also, I have a company in Europe, which is into foreign liquor import. Um, Now, here I am with the HNS to focus, to make a presentation on my human resources business here. First of all, may I ask you all, what do you what it comes to you immediately on hearing a business? We all have an idea that a business requires investment. Whenever we talk about business, we think that it requires investment. According to me, business requires confidence. If you have the confidence, you can do business. And I stand up example of this, and I also here, you know, expressing my interest for all of you to take up this human resources business as a franchisee owner, so that you can all earn an additional income. This is open to all the viewers in the Facebook as well, because we have to. This is an India. People are having a lot of shy in starting business. People choose an employment as an option. Unfortunately, we don't have a job providers much. We have only job seekers. It's a very good potential market for all of you here. You have all in the middle age, you have certain clientele base, you have certain contacts, you have the skill, you have the language skills, you are working close to the community, you have clients. So I would request all of you to listen to my presentation. And we are here with an experience of 10 years in the franchising. We started our company in 2005, and we started franchising out in 2010. Currently, we have 45 franchisees all over Tamil Nadu and Kerala. I can give in references. We are also part of a Franchisee Association of India as a life member, and Franchisee India as our partner who identifies as our franchisees. So, what is HR? What is human resources? And why you have to you have to confidently refer our company? Because we comply with all the statutory compliances required for a human resource business. What are all the licenses that are required? You need to have a Shops and Establishment Act, or you should have a Companies Act registration. You should have a registration under PF Provident Fund. You should have a registration under Employee State Insurance. You need to have a registration under income tax, and you should have a TAN, and also you should have a GST. We comply with all these things, and we are statutorily compliant company, and we have even during this COVID, I am very proud to say that we have paid nearly 75 lakhs as GST alone. So that is the amount of turnover, the business revenue that is generated in this business. So with this confident note, let me make a presentation. And we are very financially stable company. Since 2005, in the first year itself, we started making profits. This is because it is the investment required every year. Further investments are not required. Like in any other business, you need to have a continuous flow of your working capital. Here, your customers, they by the word of mouth, you spread your business, and there is not much of advertisement or anything is required in this because they are your ambassadors. Your customers are your ambassadors. So we are a financially stable company, and we pay our franchisees their revenue share within the next 15th. Whatever the claim form is submitted by 5th of the subsequent month, we settle all the claims by 15th. See, in human resources, our company is a supermarket. They divide the life age of a person in 8 years. So if somebody comes from 16 years, we have a vertical. Somebody comes with 46, we have a vertical. So it is a big supermarket we have. We have plenty of verticals. We have 8 verticals. So any age group, any gender, any qualification, without qualification, we have all the complete holistic product, so that according to your clientele base, according to your location, you can choose any of this vertical and you can do this program. First, I will come to at the age of 16, people will come to you, what course I have to join or what job I will get into. We have a career guidance online vertical. This is developed by a psychologist. So it's an online tool where the psychometric analysis is done. What is the characters of a person? Many of us here, we are influenced by our teachers or our parents, and we undergo certain courses and we end up with somewhere else. So this can be avoided if the people, the youngsters, are given the proper guidance through their, it is 20-page report is given. It is valid for 2 years. Now, even a job seeker, they can attach this and as a proof that I am credible, I have these values, I have this leadership quality. It is a written report. This is a very good tool for a job hunter to project his characters that suits the particular job he is looking for. And at the age of 24, suppose somebody wants to go to overseas, we have a vertical called pre-placement skill training. So people who want to go to Japan, we have cultural training done, language training done, and skill training, technical skill training done. Currently, we have an infrastructure which can accommodate 500 people. Now we can do online programs also is being done. So this is at the age of 24, you can go for this overseas pre-placement training. At the age of 32, if you want to have a self-entrepreneurship or entrepreneurship or self-employment, we have a lot of programs and we can suggest them. We have this option. And at the age of 40, you want to come back and want to settle down in a contractual employment in the government, we have 28 government departments which trust us. We provide contractual manpower in the government sector. Believe me, there are 12 million people currently in throughout India on government contractual jobs. So these government contractual jobs can be taken up through tender process if we have the passion to take up HR as your this thing. Because of our experience, you can get the tenders because we have the turnover, we have all the norms of the government. So at the age of 48, if you want your children to be, for higher education, we have tied up with 30 universities in UK, US, and Europe. So that vertical is for you to choose for your clients. And at the age of, say, 56, all your responsibilities are over. You want to have to understand the world better. We have a sleep recovery tourism to Malaysia and organic agriculture tourism to Netherlands. And we also have agriculture automation tourism to Germany. So with this variety of verticals, you can have a solid income of 2 lakhs per month, provided you should have put a lot of efforts. You should have the visibility with your clients that you are into HR, and people, once they start trusting. So once they start trusting you, then this is a very good opportunity for you, because ours is the only company in India who are offering franchising, because a lot of licenses are required in this country, and we comply with all these things. We are complying with trust in you, and we are giving these licenses to operate. Our brand has got some turnover. Our brand has got established clients, and our brand is reputed by the governments of Tamil Nadu and government of India. So if you have the clients, you are welcome. And we have a separate team of people who are trained, who take the induct the franchisees. They train the franchisees, and they maintain the relationship. We do trainings in your place also. It is called field training. We call you for a orientation program or training program for 2 days. All these support services we do to develop our franchisees all over India. So I have 4 minutes now. So it is open to discussions and questions. Thank you very much.
Really excellent. You've been keeping the timer on from your side also, Peter sir. Excellent. Thank you very, very much. Let me see whether there are any questions so far. Actually, there are no specific questions, Peter sir. So I would like to take the opportunity to tell people a little bit more about how or what I am aware of with Mr. Charlie. Now, I have known him now going on to nearly 3 years, and the kind of enthusiasm he has to make sure that people participate, get to know him, and he gets to know participants is one of his greatest uh, positive aspects of Mr. Peter Charlie. Another thing about him is that he never hesitates to reach out to anybody who feels that they need his presence or his guidance. Apart from that, he is totally committed to what he does, and these are things that um, just add on to whatever authenticity that his company has, with everything, all the paper, the legalities in order, which should make anyone who is looking for opportunities reach out to him without hesitation. You know that you are in the best of hands. And so we don't really have too many questions except for appreciation. I see Rachit putting up his finger, so I'm happy that he's got something to add.
There's a question from Mr. Feroz. He has asked, what career plan do you have for a 45-plus-year-old professional with more than 20 years in job career?
We have to see the individual experience and before suggesting anything. But I will tell you, the above 40, the career prospects are better. You should put the experience into self-employment. That is what, because we have to give way for the youngsters. There are a lot of people now, the youngsters who are looking for jobs, and we have to capitalize our experiences, and that is general opinion. But we have to see whether the individual has to have a reskilling to fit into the, if he still wants to have an employment, we have to see. But majority of the employees overseas, they have a cap. But other opportunity we have is immigration, which I have not mentioned. Above 45, you want to settle down in 30 countries from, US, Canada, Europe, European countries. We have an immigration. You for the age of 45, you would have earned something and you would have saved something. You are welcome to contact us if you are interested in taking up immigration consultant. That means you become a citizen of that country or you become a resident of the country. You have to invest in your name in that country, either in the shares or real estate kind of a thing. You are free to choose your own business, because the other countries have less population. Less competition is there for seeking a job or doing a business in that country. Thank you very much, sir.
I'd just like to add one element here, that in this age group, And with this experience, I have lineup of professionals who have lost their jobs because you're
Yeah.
saying that young people take up, and there is a major area where these people need attention and they have lost focus and they need some guidance or a proper plan to put them back on track. That's it.
You are welcome as a franchisee, sir. Together, the human problems are unlimited. Peter X. Charlie alone cannot solve all these problems. That is the reason we are looking for franchisees who will, we will. Our vision is chase the unemployment to the museum. So it is not possible. It is a big ideology we have. It is not possible for a single man. Welcome franchisees. We can together. Will try to counsel the people and try to give them the best of what they dream.
Thank you
Thank
very
you, sir.
much. Thank you very much. Thank you, the participants here, for your questions, for your support. And we do hope that anybody else who is looking for opportunities, be it job opportunities, immigration, please do connect with Mr. Peter Rex Charlie. Sir, please do not forget to put your details in the comment section.
I'll do that.
On Facebook as well as on Zoom. Thank you again. Rachit, the stage is back to you.
All right. So